Hey guys, if you really want to see something cool, we have a giveaway at the end of this video. All right? So do me a favor, stick with me all the way to the end. But until then, let's check out some beer. All right? Tonight I thought we would lighten things up a bit. I have in front of me a German Pils inspired lager. This would be Bosque Brewing's alternative to Bud Light, the domestic garbage you can buy in 12 packs for 12 bucks. This beer is light, it's refreshing, it's flavorful. It is what a craft lager should be. It's 4.8 ABVs with a 25 IBU. That is pretty light and definitely very, very crushable. On Untappd, it has almost 3,000 reviews. It is a 3.5 score beer, and I really do think we're in for something special. So come on, let's open this bad boy up. Let's look at the art first though. Bosque Brewing has gone to this very simple can art. It is not a sticker, it is printed on the can. Really makes it eye-catching. They changed the color, they changed the wording, but basically they use a silver can and put the appropriate stuff for that beer on it. And it really does stand out on the shelf. So let's pop this bad boy open. And yes, I went and got more glasses. Oh, look at that light straw color. It is very, very straw-like. Very yellow. Very low head. Very carbonated. Very white, thin, very bubbly head. From here, I'm not smelling anything, or I don't get the aromas from it. So let's get a little closer. You get flowery, light, clean notes. It is very floral. Lots and lots of carbonation still. This is an any time of the year beer, and that's probably why you can get it at any point. Again, this is a domestic produced alternative. This is craft beer version of that damn Bud Light. So, so let's take a drink of this bad boy. The maltiness and the hops come through. I'm guessing it's a dry hop. It is clean, crisp. It's well balanced between the hops and the malt. It's clean on the tongue. Dries out the palate just a little bit. It's pretty good. The flavor on this one is, it doesn't last. It's not a lingering, long-lasting flavor. You can see that it sticks, the head sticks to the side of the glass. So it gives it some nice pretty lacing. The aroma stays the same. Great crushable beer. Try a Bosque Lager. Like I said, it's a German Pilsner inspired lager. It's good stuff. Something else I would like to talk about, and if you've noticed, over here, there are 5 bars of soap. As some of you know, we have worked with Teori soaps. You can find them online. These are real soaps. These are hand-produced soaps. And Trish has graciously made us Crafty Coaster soap. That's right, Crafty Coaster soap. It smells like beer. It looks like a little beer with a head on it. It is the cutest thing. This room right now just smells like beer, and I'm loving this. Good stuff. So for the next 5 videos, including this one, all you have to do is put soap in the comments below, and I will get in touch with you, and 5 people will win these soaps. So there's 5, and I actually have some more here for future giveaways, but for right now, I'm going to give away these 5 soaps. That means I will put them in a envelope or a box, and I'll ship them off to you. Again, these are Crafty Coaster soaps. Smells and looks like a beer. It's not a beer. I swear you won't get in trouble. Lathers up nice, beautiful little soaps. I think you guys would enjoy it. It's a kick. Like I said again, go to the comments below and type in the word soap. That's all I ask. And I will get these out to you. It's really a pleasure to be able to sit down and do these videos every night. I know the circumstances aren't what we're all looking for. It is tough on all of us. But I really do believe this will bring out some of the best in people. I'm hoping it's bringing out the best in me. I really am doing my best to support our local brewers. I really wish I could have some of the smaller ones canning or would contact me so that I could pick up beers and take care of them here also. Please, if you know anybody, let them know during this time. I'm not asking for donations. I'm not asking for anything like that. Just get in touch with me if you want your beer featured here, and I'll take care of the rest. All right? So I hope you enjoy these. This is Bosque Lager. It is a very low ABV and definitely not a bitter beer at 25 IBUs. Very crushable. Something you can take 4 cans, hang out at a party, or just sit in your house and sip on them throughout the night. It's very crushable beer. And the flavor lasts. And until next time, cheers.